Hi guys! Welcome back to my vlog. It's me, Blessy. So for today's video, samahan niyo ako because I'll be cooking my favorite spaghetti. So first, pakulo tayo ng water, then lagyan natin ng konting salt and oil. Ayan, spaghetti noodles in. Wait lang guys. Huwag niyo kalimutan i-stir para hindi siya dumikit. Honestly guys, cooking is kinda relaxing for me. Kahit minsan nakakapagod, pero worth it talaga after. So I start by chopping the hot dogs, garlic, and onion. This helps bring out the flavor of the sauce. I saute the garlic and onion. Grabe, napakabango talaga. Then add the corned beef. And I also add cheese for our spaghetti. And then mix hanggang sa matunaw na po itong cheese. Tapos I add also the hot dog. Mix ulit hanggang sa maluto na itong hot dog. Tapos lagyan ng black pepper and salt. And then syempre tomato sauce. 3 tomato sauce itong nilagay namin. Kasi mas masarap kapag maraming sauce yung spaghetti natin. So, mix ulit hanggang sa makombine na itong dalawang sauce na unang nilagay namin. Mix, mix, mix until combined. So, ito na. Ilalagay na yung pangatlong sauce para mas masarap talaga yung spaghetti natin guys kapag maraming sauce yung inilagay. Mix ulit hanggang sa makombine na itong 3 sauce na nilagay natin. Naglagay din ako ng condensed milk guys para pangdagdag panlasa kasi napakasarap ito kapag may gat. So here's our finished product. Luto na yung spaghetti natin. Rate yun naman from 1 to 10 guys. Char lang. Ito na. Tikman na natin yung spaghetti. Craving satisfied talaga ako nito guys. Oh my. Napakasarap talaga. Legit. Ang sarap talaga guys. Thank you for watching my vlog. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Char lang. See you on my next video. Bye. Da 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 da.